If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Guided actions in Acrobat let you automate common multi-step workflows. When running a guided action in Acrobat, Acrobat can perform some of its steps automatically, while other steps may require user input to guide the process. In addition to the guided actions that automate common tasks, Acrobat also lets you create and save custom actions for your specific workflow. To run guided actions in Acrobat, first open a PDF in Acrobat within which to run a guided action, like making the PDF accessible, for example. Then click the All Tools link in the top bar of the PDF, and, if needed, click the View More link at the bottom of the All Tools panel to expand it. Then click the Use Guided Actions link in the All Tools panel to show the Use Guided Actions panel. Then click to select the name of the guided action to run from the list that appears under the Actions List section. After you click an action, the selected action then appears in this panel and shows the file or files to be processed at the top of the pane, followed by the individual steps to complete the guided action. Review the steps in the action and then click the Start button to begin. The Start button then changes into a Stop button, which you can click at any time to stop the action before it completes if needed. As Acrobat performs the action, it highlights the steps in the panel and continues until a step requires user input. Some steps require you to provide values or enter information. Follow along with the steps of the action until the Stop button shows the word Done. If desired, to see a full report of the guided actions results in your default web browser, click the Full Report button. You can then click the Done button to close the panel. Alternatively, to return to the Use Guided Actions panel, click the arrow button in the panel's upper left corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.